Happy first day of fall from Canada. Well, it is officially the first day of fall today, and as you can see, it's not very fallish weather here in Alberta, Canada. Instead of harvesting pumpkins, as we were planning on doing, today we've decided to build our very first snowman of the season. This guy's pretty cute, if I do say so myself. My mom bought us this snowman making kit and I love it.
I hope your first day of fall was as much fun as ours, if not a little warmer. If you enjoyed my B-roll style video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And remember to click the subscribe button to join my travel community.